Aaron Sahern and Maigh na Ceannais Christy Ring, Nicky Rackard agus Larry Maher a Barcan Crokig. Treis Brisacria Ullington Urig chum Mayo naflí Cluiche is Chomórtas Nicky Rackard am Líana. An Irothlo Ardu came of Antamach am Líana, and Gur Roscommon's Dublin a Ruher.
Mayo will win today because they have 7 Ballyhorns players on the panel.
Our son Kevin is sub-goalie there today. They've met Roscommon before, twice this year now, so you wouldn't know on the day how things would go, you know.
Yeah, I've got 2 lads playing, Jack Donnelly midfield, Adam Donnelly centre back, and generally all the players, because I'd be involved in hurling anyway, so I'd be a hurling man in Roscommon, so supporting them all really. Hopefully now the lads are training well, playing well, and they've come on in the last few games, so hopefully we can give Mayo a good game. Mayo are favourites, obviously hot favourite, but hopefully we can do a good job and sort of bring Nicky Rackard home.
Sin dóthaimh fósaigh socrúisteach into action agus ag deir Mayo go dtín taobh hawl agus Reidir Mahori Curlov and Order Glorigan Tlitter ag deir tá sin sásta third fé Coolín agus sin scóúntaach Mishnach go Kinton son ag deir Gooling Token son ag David Kenny attacked amach ag Spórt six Lor agus Desh ag Ryan Duffy Dollar Anunsi Bouta Ella Passan and Maha and Counson Shoraha agus tá sé sin bhfuil tá muir Duldan Fratgadain Owen Collins ag Craig now. Mayo teach the east. He tossed the knees fiar agus on Counson Shoraha stock ag Liam Lavin and Trio Coolín agus shoots a chéadla agus ag deir Mayo can tossig. Buil ag deir if over Roscommon agus Desh and Ish Kashud Dollar Anunsi Roch Maha Yenef better go Luskaltiga Shanser Cool oh I get Dara Hook Sean Canning Fain Cool Kashev Sauce and Coolina Vega Ach Fi Desh Glorver and son loose Doc Creta Egg Sean Canning Dog Shen Cousin Torin a Yeeg She there no against her Turin Hook She Ikadi Clehecanish Idrvianach na Heron and love Isuch there no law the Mona Lean Liminiga Derrita Desher and Dave Lena Howland Sonig Roscommon agus an Lurig on Loch Lantern agus Pocamock Marek Roscommon smacht to go hauling he's fooling. Nesh Deshik Sean Canning, Cooley needs Tushka, Vi Desher Cool again Fossil Canning! Oh Cadem are cool! Sean Canning! Le Hurricane Stacks and Anga can saw a bark and croaking. Augustin Gaydor Sean Ona, Roscommon Gaffa Contossig, a Cadem are cool agus Hogshigas Naste. Phillips, Favreau. A Glantagus Naston Sonic Connor Cosgrove and counts on Turling to Shigdesher Cool Agasasha Courage Axeline Ton. Oh Cadem are con cool I'm shoe. Irak Fada ag Turling Immel le Carnoiga agus Egadera Roscommon le Comáin in order Creek no Brendan Mulroy stole Egadera where she Comáin lesh Eo-1 son agus Dint come back Simon Thomas in the Glana. Lesh Mayo attack Bouta one Ella. Farlor Parker. Danny Yuan. The pass amach and son. Tasha sin knees fiar. Johanna Croig and pass to Galasmo. Creekna agus Nasta. Clipper Timmerhory, Pedro Galori Goig, Far Hibberdor and Connor Dylan Slitter, Nienik. Squealish Election Immernt because Dullashachta Keen Murray. Count Guard, Pedro Broshama, Pedro Deshastig. Eg Roscommon or Cool Shaston Voida, Pedro Deshan Sar, Cool Agus Tashe. Eg Robbie Fallon. On Shore Selina Long Tossig Le Cool Eg Roscommon, Sean Canning, Brendan Mulroy agus Anish. Robbie Fallon a Cadem mar fast agus ní raibh far Roscommon Pioch Lehlas agus son Connic sé go raibh Fallon in Orkneys fear cool over a tree agus tan bhearna sínta mac a ríistí Cúig Coolín trí a dóig le nád a séideag Trasna go dí Douglas an Coolbara ón Turín Taganís in Ishan Council le Coristeach dí Immel le Carnoganú tríála sé Coolín Bobby Douglas oh, Sar Coolín again Coolbara Hastig sé sinúha Mishnach agent sé tar Ashley Douglas a ríist Better ma Hashlín sé písinella go meg deis third fé score ella Fúr sé an score Dernach Dove and counts on ag Tashtal ag Ro Garrett Smachta stig ag Mayo agus better bhfuil deis bhfuil Tarrington's on Neil and Ritter squeal leis an immert Chasna Cool better bhfuil deis an son ag Mayo agus Owen Delaney le Cool agus Péran is aimse ag Owen Delaney agus cúlúnta go gcéad a bhuió agus a níis tá siad go maithar nasin san immert níl atra ag éon cúlín amháin leis tá Roscommon creata leis an cúil sin i chéile deis ar cúlín an cóscórin ag Shane Boland ceithre cúlín go dtí seo Sean Cúig go ceann ach níos a háchtaí cúlín an cóscór fécinn amach tá crut níos fearr ag Mayo agus stád seo deis ag Sean Kenny ag taistil Kenny Harran Trasnán. Oh, sorry, Erickson son an anatí Sean Kenny. Bheocht Nicky Rackard hain brodúil. Dar nó bhúil sé gá craibhil éireann le Lochgarman. Cuige cúig agus cuige sé. Caravan line agus Buaicphointí na máinethe a bear riomh dhimmer an chluthe seo. Né gúil agus cuige scóráilte. Nis, Roscommon agus an lábhan ard ag Owen Kiernan. Deisir cúlín an cós scór agus tá sé ag Owen Kiernan. Oh, here na tá count sin ag Owen Kiernan. Lad nómad fáchan sa barcan crocaigh na honnadathe le Shalvan féidir le duine a bhuachan de shit. Come on in order. Deisianis ag Ryan Conlon. An pass seach sa lár. Shalvan rud is táchtaí inis. An deis ag Roscommon an chluthe bhuachan tá sé meisteach. Agus tá Erickson son imethe Harran Trasnán. Ag Roscommon agus ag Brendan Mulroy. Tá Ado Gerrig Shaitan son. Roscommon tris curran Nicky Rackard a bhuachan. Dun siúh out agus Brendan Mulroy leis an scór déanaach deirneach sin curran Nicky Rackard ag Roscommon agus an curran an ordas an Éireann son ag Conor Cosgrove agus Conor Mulroy.
Just so proud of the boys. They worked and worked. The players kept going the whole year. They're after winning Nicky Rackard. They're up another division. We're going to Christy Ring now next year. It's massive. You can tell by the people here, you can tell by the crowd and everything. They're just ecstatic and delighted, and we all are. We were underdogs, but I said it all year, within our own group, we were always positive and we were always upbeat, and we knew there was a drive in us to go on and to win the record. We had a decent league, we had a decent group stages of the record. We came in here today, as you said, total underdogs, but look at underdogs have their day and we've had our day today.